Hi guys, welcome back to Te Quiero Gitana. My name is Abby and today we are going to be starting a new series of sorts. I kind of got this idea today while I was taking a shower. I was like, you know what, it would be really cool to start like a spell book series, which is when I specifically go through some of the spell books that I've bought throughout my life and do the actual spell on video so you can see what it looks like and if you might want to do it, how it might help you and stuff like that. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to do like a spell book series and actually do the spells together. That way you could like watch it if you need like guidance or whatever, or you know, just to see it as far as like doing the thing. So the first one that I'm going to do, which I kind of hinted at in my chakra healing video for this week, is has to do with dreams, and this is taken from the book of Spells #2 by Marion Green. And this book is so busted because I've had this book for at least 12, 13, maybe like 15 to 18 years. I bought this at a thrift store. I bought 1 and 2 at the thrift store, so I have both. At this thrift store that I go to literally since I've been like yay high. And I got this there. It was like $1 because thrift store books. I love buying thrift store books. I got in a lot of spell books from thrift stores actually, so we're gonna talk about it as the series progresses. But I got this one there, and I basically, me and my sister went ham, and we like started doing a whole bunch of spells from it when we were like way younger, because we just love witchy things. So that's one of the things. So I've never actually done this one before, but we are going to be doing the Dream Tea. Just this one. You can see this is the one we're going to be doing. So this is basically like if somebody was cooking out of a cookbook and showing you guys, but we're going to be doing magical cooking. You see what I did there? Okay. So yeah, so we're going to be doing the Dream Tea, and this is what I was talking about in my chakra video for this week, because I feel like we need to be doing a lot of water work and just going deep in the mind and healing the mind and clearing up some stuff in the mind. So we're going to be doing the spell out of this book, so I'm going to be reading all the things to you guys and going through how we're going to be doing the spell. So it says, the Dream Tea, a calming brew to help you lull you to sleep and to bring clear dreams. And you will need, and I'm going to go over the ingredients, 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, 1/2 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves, which I have right here, powdered ginger, and powdered nutmeg, which I have right here, right there, a bowl, a spoon, a strainer, runny honey, which I have right here, and a fresh lemon juice, which I have right here, and a clean mug, which I have right here. I'm going to be using my Capricorn mug that my best friend got me for Christmas last year. Hold on, something fell. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Okay, so it's just a paper towel. I have like a bunch of paper towels on this table right now. So anyway, so I'm going to read you guys like what it says, and then we're going to do it together. So it says, throughout history, almost every culture has used herbs for various purposes. Every religion had its helpful plants for easing pain, cooling fevers, alleviating sickness, and encouraging sleep. Today, many of these plants are commonly found in herbal and health food stores, so it is safe for novices to use them in making their own preparations. Always be sure to have the right herb for your particular condition, though, and always buy from a reputable source. Here is a safe, simple, and effective brew to help you sleep and bring clear dreams. And it says the method. To make a cup of dream tea, put 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers. Okay, so 1 tablespoon. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. You're gonna need the bowl and like boiling water, because we're going to be brewing this. So water in here. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, just put this down before I burn myself. So then take 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, put it in the bowl. Then you're going to take half a tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves, which I have right here, and you're going to put it in the bowl. So half, that's half, okay, so half, in it goes. Then add a pinch of powdered ginger and a pinch of powdered nutmeg, which I have already put in here. So I'm just gonna dunk it in there. Okay. Add a pint of boiling water, allowed to infuse for about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna move it with the stir with the spoon. And it says allowed to infuse for about 5 minutes, stirring it a few times and singing, and this is the spell portion. Sweet herbs, sleep herbs, mixed in this tea, fill me and thrill me with bright dreams to see, make it taste nice with flowers and spice, add the addition of lemon and honey. And the addition of lemon, not add the addition, and the addition of lemon and honey. So I'm going to say that again because I totally butchered that. Sweet herbs, sleep herbs, mixed in this tea, fill me and thrill me with bright dreams to see, make it taste nice with flowers and spice, and the addition of lemon and honey. And then after 5 minutes, it says strain the mixture into a clean mug. You can drink this brew warm or cool with the lemon and honey added to taste. And a small amount will help sleep come to you sooner and will help you dream more clearly. So I'm just gonna stir this for about 5 minutes. And we're gonna do this spell to the tea, so I'm just going to try to clear my head as I do this. And it smells really good actually, so that also helps. I used to do the spells from this book with my sister all the time. I have like a whole bunch of spell books though, so it's like when we were younger we would just go ham at that thrift store buying different things. And I still have like a bunch of the books till this day, so this series is going to be kind of fun because we're going to be doing a whole bunch of spells. And this book has like a whole bunch of different spells to do, including planetary ones, where you can call down the planetary energies to help you. So we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff with this book series, I feel like. Plus, that's kind of like one of the coolest parts of being a witch, having like your book of shadows and making spells and stuff. But as much as people say, you know, don't, like, you should make your own spells and create your own spells, which is totally fine. I feel like when you haven't been passed down a lot of the stuff, like even though I've been passed down like most, but my herbalist background comes from my family, because I was born in the Dominican Republic and we use a lot of herbs, so I get a lot of my knowledge from there. And it's kind of like, it's like not everybody has the luxury of having their ancestors and like different family members teach them different ways to heal themselves. So it's like books are necessary. And I kind of hate it when spiritual leaders in the community, in the spiritual community, say that you shouldn't read and you should have been taught. I'm like, okay, well that didn't happen. So the person that doesn't have this experience should have some sort of outlet in order to, you know, bring this information together for them. So I think it's cool to look at books as references, even if you never do the spell, or even if you you just need ideas or inspiration, or maybe there's a part of you that really resonates with a part of that one, like that one book you bought, there was just that one page that really resonated with you that you ended up taking on. That makes it worth it, you know? So just keep it at 100. Like, I don't ever listen to nobody that tells me I shouldn't read, especially as a Gemini moon. I find it very insulting. I'm like, I'm too nerdy for this stuff. Like, I'm a Ravenclaw, so don't tell me not to read. No, not today. So I'm going to pretend it's been 5 minutes, because this is for the purpose of showing you guys how to do the spell after you've done sang the song or read it out like a slam poetry, if you wanted to do that. So I'm going to take the bowl, which is hot, and then take my cup, take the strainer, hold it like this. So it's basically gonna look like that. You guys just can't see it because I can't move the camera. And then I'm gonna just pick up the bowl without making a mess, hopefully, because everybody that knows me knows how clumsy I am. Oof. Okay, here we go. And then okay, so basically it looks like that. I'll put this back on the bowl. So my tea's in the bag. Then I'm going to take half of the lemon. And this is up to you. I mean, I don't want to overpower the chamomile in this, but I love sour things, so I would have used a whole lemon. If you need an extra cleanse, I guess you could use a whole lemon, but I'm just going to use half of a lemon instead. This is actually another good way to do a cleanse before you go to sleep, because lemon really, really helps clean out your system. Okay. I just really love lemon, I'm sorry. I'm gonna eat that after the video. Anyway, you're gonna take some honey. Okay. And then you're gonna take your teaspoon. You're gonna mix it together. So basically mixing it together. And at this point you can go ahead and recite the spell again if you want to, just because everything is combined. And then you could, I would say drink this an hour before you go to sleep, because you're definitely going to need to pee before you go to sleep. So an hour before you go to sleep, and you should be good to go with this tea. I hope you guys loved this video, because I had a lot of fun doing it, and I can't wait to do, I feel like I'm going to do one of these a week, or maybe one of these every 2 weeks. Let me know if you think I should do, I don't know, one of these a week, like, because I would love to do it anyway. But there's like a whole bunch of spells in here, and I have like tons of books in my library, tons, that I could pull from and do different things. We could do like Hoodoo Week, or like different like areas of different like areas of, I guess, all over the world magic at this point, because there's so much stuff that I have, so we could just do all of it if we want to. So let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. All my links and stuff will be down below. I'm going to be finishing this tea off, And then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.